Let us start. So Victus Life Sciences unveil. So with the success of two of our products, we now unveil V Cafe, which is wellness in a sip. So this is a groundbreaking advancement in the realm of health and wellness. So let us understand why is this a groundbreaking advancement, okay? So because now tell me how many of you love to have your first cup of coffee in the morning? So I really like to have my first cup of coffee as soon as I get up because that is the fuel that recharges me or charges my body for the complete day. The first cup of coffee, the first sip of coffee makes all the difference. So I'm sure that a lot of you are like me. There was a time, like how Varinderji said, there was a time when people used to have tea or coffee. But then the next gen, if you see the current generation and the next generation, lot of people are coffee drinkers. Okay, so everybody loves that first warm sip of coffee in the morning, which they are trying to control today because of the awareness being created that coffee is not good for your health. Correct. So a lot of people are now switching from coffee to decaffeinated coffee, green tea, and so on and so forth, or probably hot water with cinnamon and things which are more healthier options. So why is that? Is coffee by itself not good for your health? So let us understand few myths associated with coffee. Coffee by itself is not something which is not good for your health. Okay. So the FSSAI has actually given a permissible limit of 400 mg of caffeine, which can be incorporated in your daily routine without any health hazards or health risks. Okay. So what is it that makes your coffee uh, a kind of a danger for your body? It is only the added sugar and the high caffeine content in it. Okay. So the culprit is not coffee by itself. The culprit is the high caffeine content in your coffee and the amount of sugar that we add into our coffee. Have you ever tried your coffee without sugar? Let me tell you, coffee tastes best when you do not add sugar. That is when you get the actual flavor, the bitterness of the perfectly roasted coffee beans. But then we are all so used to adding sugar into our beverages that we load our coffee with sugar. So that is the reason your cup of coffee becomes unhealthy for you. Okay. So the effects of caffeine, it makes you more alert and more active. So people become more hyperactive when you have lot of coffee because of the high caffeine content. A lot of people have stomach discomforts, which is again associated with caffeine. There's lack of concentration when your caffeine content goes higher. It also results in a higher heart rate, which leads to faster breathing. So these are certain effects of caffeine. And yes, the dangers of sugar everybody knows. It promotes weight gain. It induces oxidative stress in your body. It actually, increases your insulin resistance. Okay. Then one thing which probably a lot of us do not know is that your white refined sugar, which we add in our tea and coffee, is the main food for your cancer cells. So if you've been in a family who has history of cancer or a little more prone to the lifestyle diseases, then this could be one of the most hazardous and dangerous thing that you have in your everyday routine. So that is the reason that your cup of coffee becomes dangerous to you because of the high caffeine content and the dangers of added sugar. So growing challenges of lifestyle diseases. So today, if you see the statistics, non-communicable diseases like your diabetes, cholesterol, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer have become alarmingly prevalent. Okay. So there were days when we have seen cancer as a disease only in the old black and white movies where we see that they vomit blood and then they are diagnosed with something called as cancer. But today, if you see, in our close circle, we know at least a couple of people who are affected by cancer. Yes or no? Yes. So these non-communicable diseases cause almost 75% of the world's diseases. We are not talking about India, friends. Please understand. It is a global burden. We are talking about the world. So 75% of the world's diseases are caused by non-communicable diseases. And the reasons very, very simple, being the kind of dietary choices we make, the kind of lifestyle we lead, the kind of junk we incorporate in our daily lives, and the amount of stress we undergo in our day-to-day life. Okay. So the top non-communicable diseases in the world are cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and cancer. And trust me, even during COVID, maximum death were happening because of cardiovascular diseases. But we were so focused on the COVID and coronavirus that this was actually not even considered, and only the death due to corona was being considered. Even during the deadly coronavirus, CVD was the top contributor for people losing their lives. So we have to understand that. So other non-communicable diseases are chronic lung diseases, obesity, gut problems are becoming more and more prevalent only because of our eating habits. Trust me, probiotics are gaining a lot of place in today's market only because of the gut problems people are facing. Then you have chronic kidney disease, stress and depression, so on and so forth. 74% of all the death worldwide is because of the non-communicable diseases. Okay, so they are not caused by any infection or virus. These are all mainly caused by your lifestyle disorders. Okay, so in 2021 there was a study which says that 135.9 million people in India are pre-diabetic and 720 million people worldwide are pre-diabetic. So it's a very thin line, friends, between your pre-diabetes and diabetes. Okay, so in the pre-diabetic state, if we are able to start the right supplement, we can ensure that we do not cross the thin line and get into the diabetic world. Similarly, 54.5 million people in India have cardiovascular diseases. Around 620 million people in the entire world have got issues related to heart. Okay, and in 2022 almost 20 million new cancer cases were detected. And trust me, you know what is the amount of increase people are, the statistics is assuming by this year. We are in 2025, so the cancer cases are predicted to be increasing by 12.8% in this year. So we cafe's primary focus is going to be to curb the non-communicable diseases and to establish a healthier way of life. Okay, so the main ingredients in your V Cafe are Salacia reticulata, Terminalia arjuna, Curcuma longa, black rice bran extract, Berberis aristata, Piper nigrum, Trigonella phenum gracium, and cinnamon. Okay, so the names may look very scientific, but these are very common ingredients which we are aware of. We know that they are going to benefit our body, but then we do not use it. So these are all things from our kitchen which can be used daily, which we do not use. Okay, and this is a global burden which we have to take care of. So Victus Life Sciences introduces V Cafe, an innovative blend with the power of nature and science, which is exclusively formulated to support your health. Okay, which is exclusively formulated to support your health without compromising on your daily cup of coffee. Okay, so this is an exotic premium beverage for overall well-being. So this is a powerful formulation to curb your non-communicable diseases. It's a signature premium coffee blend from from the finest coffee beans. It has a reduced low caffeine content. Along with low caffeine, it also has natural potential phyto extracts and nutrients. Okay, so V Cafe is wellness in a sip. It is a healthier version of coffee. Okay, so how can a coffee become healthy? It is very simple. Along with reduced caffeine, we have some phyto extracts and nutrients which we have added, which is going to help you curb your non-communicable diseases. Internationally proven premium ingredients, advanced manufacturing technology. You know that every product that we launch in Victus goes through a super critical carbon dioxide extraction process by which we ensure that the concentration of the nutrients that we extract are the maximum and are the highest. Okay, and this is a product with zero added sugar and zero cholesterol. So reduced caffeine. So I've been talking about reduced caffeine. I've been saying that V Cafe comes with reduced caffeine. So have you ever heard of reduced caffeine? So reduced caffeine is nothing but the same caffeine which is extracted from the same coffee beans, just the extraction technique is different. Okay, so in this extraction technique, what happens is only the caffeine content is reduced, whereas the flavor, the aroma, the antioxidant property of caffeine from the coffee beans is retained. So what happens is when you sip our V Cafe, when you sip our V Cafe, the flavor, the aroma, and the feel of having your coffee does not change. It is exactly similar to what you have been having from the market. It can be any brand that you use, your Tata Coffee, your Brew, your filter coffee, okay? So the flavor, aroma, and the antioxidant property of the caffeine in the coffee remains same. The only difference being that the caffeine content is reduced. So let us understand why to use reduced caffeine in our coffee. So this is mainly to incorporate this coffee in your daily routine without any guilt. So after having this cup of coffee, you should not feel guilty that, oh my God, my coffee was loaded with caffeine and sugar. No, because this is a healthier version of coffee which is not loaded with caffeine and neither with sugar. It has a slight sweetish taste which is contributed by cinnamon, which is a part of one of the ingredients, and this does not impact your sleep cycle. So, anytime at home, you ask your mother, you ask your wife, or you yourself want to make a cup of coffee for yourself. So, you always end up feeling that, Arey yaar, it is night. So, let me not have a cup of coffee. So, though I might be craving for a cup of coffee, I feel that no, this is going to disturb my sleep because of the high caffeine content. But yes, our V Cafe can be had even 1 hour before you sleep because this has low caffeine in it and this does not impact your sleep cycle, okay? And all the more it has lifestyle disease prevention because of the natural phyto extracts which are added in this. So what is V Cafe? It is a carefully crafted solution designed to be incorporated in your daily routine, giving you the comfort of your favorite beverage, the coffee, with added benefits which takes care of your lifestyle diseases. So this comes in a beautiful packaging of 30 sachets in a mono carton. The mono carton is exactly similar to our core Oraqui, mono carton, and it has this beautiful 15-gram sachets in it, 30 sachets in it. Okay, so I don't have the box as of now. So this is the sachet. Very, very easy to carry. Just, put these sachets into your travel bag wherever you're going. Cut it open, put it in like 100 ml of hot water, and tada, your coffee is ready. So be it your hotel room, be it your travel, you are in your car, what you need is just 1 cup of piping hot water to make your V Cafe. Okay, so let us understand what are the ingredients in this. So we have coffee arabica, Salacia reticulata, cinnamon verum, polycosanol, rice bran, Trigonella finum gracium, Terminalia arjuna, Curcuma longa, Piper nigrum, and Berberis eristata. Okay, so let us understand the ingredients one by one. So giving importance to the most important ingredient in V Cafe, which is polycosanol. So polycosanol is a natural extract from black rice bran. Okay, so this is known to have lipid lowering properties. All right, so thereby this helps to reduce your cholesterol levels. So this helps to reduce your LDH cholesterol and improve your HDL cholesterol, which means that there is an increase in the good cholesterol and decrease in the bad cholesterol in simple language. This is also high in antioxidants because of which it helps to reduce your oxidative stress. So your body is in the condition of oxidative stress when the amount of free radicals is more than the amount of antioxidants. So when you have V Cafe loaded with polycosanol, which is rich in antioxidants, the amount of antioxidants and free radicals, there is a balance because of which the oxidative stress is taken care of. So loads of studies would say that polycosanol is extremely helpful in the management of non-communicable diseases. So polycosanol supplementation significantly improves your blood pressure levels. Role of polycosanols in the prevention and treatment of cardiovascular disease. Polycosanol suppresses tumor progression. So all these are published papers in peer-reviewed journals. You go to NCBI, you go to PubMed, and you find that polycosanol is a clinically validated ingredient which is known to have amazing health benefits across many non-communicable diseases. So few of the papers abstracts is what I have shown you here. So next we have Arjuna extract, which is a well documented and validated herb in Ayurveda. So go to classical Ayurveda, go to any Ayurveda Vaidya who's practicing classical Ayurveda and talk to them about Arjuna. You will be surprised to see that Arjuna bark has been used from ages, for its heart benefits. So this helps to strengthen your heart muscles, regulate your blood pressure levels, and not just your heart, it also helps to improve your insulin sensitivity, and it actually protects your pancreatic cells from oxidative damage, thereby enabling your pancreas to secrete more insulin so that your blood sugar levels are taken care of. We have Salacia reticulata, which is a tropical plant known for managing blood glucose levels. Again, a clinically validated ingredient. So go to Google, go to PubMed, go to NCBI, look for papers which have published details about Salacia reticulata for managing your blood sugar levels. And I am sure you will find at least hundreds and thousands of papers published. So Salacia reticulata, another clinically validated ingredient known to manage your blood sugar levels effectively. And this is known to reduce your postprandial blood spikes. Okay, so a lot of people are able to control their fasting blood sugar levels, but the spikes are more after food. So Salacia reticulata is an ingredient which actually helps to reduce your postprandial blood spikes and enhances your insulin sensitivity. We have Berberis aristata, which is also a form of curcumin called as Daru Haridra. This is known to support your liver health. Okay, so because of the kind of food that we have today, the processed food, which is high in fat, it is not just, fatty liver because of alcohol consumption, but there is something called as NAFLD, which is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is also on a raise now, not just in India, again globally, because of the food choices and food preferences we are making. Liver cirrhosis, alcoholic damage of the liver, non-alcoholic fatty liver condition. So when you have Berberis aristata, it ensures that it supports your liver health and enhances your functioning of the liver, helps to manage your blood sugar levels, and also helps to manage digestion. So many a time, coffee lovers have a problem of digestion when they have at least even a 1 cup of coffee more, right? So because it is known to impair your digestion very, very strongly. But because V Cafe has got Berberis aristata, this helps to manage your digestion effectively. So 1 cup more does not make a difference. It is absolutely fine to have up to 3 cups of V Cafe in a day. And you know why? Because as I said, the permissible limit of caffeine in a day is 400 mg as per FSSAI. And can you guess what is the amount of caffeine in our 115-gram sachet of V Cafe? It is not more than 40 mg. It is between 35 to 40 mg. So even 3 cups of V Cafe, we will be somewhere at around 120 mg, which is not even half the permissible limit as per FSSAI. So very, very safe to be consumed, friends. So, consume it without any guilt. Savor, relish your cup of V Cafe. So this also has cinnamon, which has excellent antimicrobial properties. So takes care of any kind of an infection in your body. Has properties to manage your blood sugar levels, lipid lowering properties, improving insulin sensitivity, and yes, it also has anti-cancer properties. So do you remember when I spoke about the non-communicable diseases, the main non-communicable diseases which is contributing to death are cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and cancer. And look at every ingredient that we have used. These are, studied to manage all those conditions specifically. The cardiovascular risks having anti-cancer properties and having anti-diabetic properties, which means that 1 cup of V Cafe is going to help you curb your NCDs to a large extent. Okay. So Trigonella funum is nothing but methi, the fenugreek seeds. So from ages, our ancestors have been telling that you soak methi seeds in the morning, drink that water, chew the seeds. It is extremely good for your digestion, extremely good to improve your blood sugar levels. And yes, if if a feeding mother takes this, the lactation improves. So generally during feeding, women are asked to, control their cup of coffee, because when you have excess of caffeine, it affects your lactation, but V Cafe is going to enhance your lactation. So, a very good news for new mothers who love coffee and do not want to, skip on having their cup of coffee when they are feeding their kids. This is not going to harm your lactation in any way. All right. So now the hero or the superhero of the product, reduced caffeine. So reduced caffeine coffee is a processed coffee with reduced caffeine content. So excessive intake of caffeine can lead to issues like increase in your blood pressure, insulin resistance, thereby leading to lifestyle disorders like hypertension and diabetes. But reduced caffeine ensures you enjoy the comfort of the rich flavor, the perfect aroma, and the energizing effect of your coffee without the health hazards which are usually associated with your cup of coffee. All right. So, V Cafe is a safe, natural alternative to your cup of coffee with health enhancing properties, which is delicious, which is convenient, and is formulated with scientifically validated ingredients. Okay. So, V Cafe is the perfect, alternative to your regular coffee. You just have to swap it, switch to V Cafe. Instead of your regular coffee, have a cup of V Cafe whenever you want. So with V Cafe, let us join hands and transform health.